Hello there. Hey, it's Cecil from Precision Rifle. Today we're going to show you how to put an Austin Halleck 209 and a large rifle Vari flame kit in an Austin Halleck 320 or a 420. Both those guns have exactly the same bolt and breech plug assembly, so it'll fit either model. So what we have here is a long extension, 3/8 drive. We have a 7/16 socket. We have a 3/8 drive ratchet. We have a 3/32 Allen wrench. This is the breech plug that comes with the kit. This is a nipple for a 209 primer. And here's a nipple for a large rifle Vari flame primer and the original Austin Halleck bolt. Here's a long flat screwdriver to change the nipples. And this is a digital caliper which will make the final bolt adjustment process a whole pile quicker. You can do it another way, but I'm going to show you how to do it this way. I assume that everybody can get their hands on one of these. Handy tool to have anyway. Anyway, we're going to get a little closer here and then we're going to show you exactly how this all goes together. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the body part of the breech plug. This is a 7/16 socket. Slide it in. And if you'll notice before we put this in, this already has anti-seize on it. So we're going to turn it backwards till it clicks. Here. There you go. Now you're not going to cross thread it. Turn it in by hand. There you go. Put the ratchet in the extension. Okay, that's tight. Okay, number one. Next thing you're going to do is decide which ignition you want. You can tell by the size of the hole, this is the larger of the two. So this is for a large rifle Vari flame adapter, which is right there. Okay. So you're going to take the adapter out, slide this in right here, and this is just a threaded nipple. So we're going to take this long flat screwdriver and insert it in, and away we go. Screw that in until it bottoms. Give it a little bit of a tweak. There you go, that's done. Okay, now we're going to switch over to the bolt. So before you do anything, if you look right here below the bolt handle, there you go. That's a set screw and this locks the firing pin. So we're going to put a 3/32 Allen wrench in there. Remove this locking screw so that we're able to adjust the firing pin. Okay. Then we're going to take the same 7/16 socket, put it on the firing pin, and we're going to remove the breech plug, or sorry, the firing pin that came with your bolt. And all it does is totally unscrews. Okay. There you go. There's the spring, and here's the firing pin. Then you're going to take the new firing pin that comes in our kit. You're going to put anti-seize on the threads, which you can see this already has. You're going to put spring on it. You're going to put it in the bolt. And you're going to put a little pressure on it. And you're going to begin to screw it in. Now the thing you want to be mindful of right here is there's a little indent. So this is the uncocked position. This is the cocked position. If you look right here, you'll see there's a little groove. You want to make sure that this is resting in that groove so it's in the cocked position. Okay? So now you're going to take this firing pin and you're going to advance it all the way in until you are 1.75 to 0.175 to 0.180 of an inch below the surface. Okay, I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. Okay, so we're going to take the jaw of the caliper, put one here, put the other one on here, and we're going to set the caliper so that this is, okay, we've got it zeroed. We want this to go to 0.175 to 0.180. Okay, so see here, we're at 112. Can you see that? Yeah, upside down, but it's still 112. Okay, so we're going to turn this in a little deeper. Try half a turn. $128. There's a full turn. $204. Okay, take this out a little bit. $168. We're going to go just a little deeper. $176, we're going to give it just a bit of a kiss. There. Okay, we'll put the set screw back in. That'll just lock the firing pin up. Don't ever try to adjust the firing pin with that in. Now we're going to take our bolt, put it in. Okay. And this was a large rifle Vari flame adapter. So we're going to take a large rifle Vari flame right there. Can you see it? Okay. Okay. Now we're going to check to see if everything's good. Ready? Okay. So as you can see, that worked perfectly. Now, if you want to do the 209 primer, we're going to take this, line up the slots. We're going to remove this nipple. Now we're going to take the 209 nipple, put it in, same as we did before. Just line the slots up for the screwdriver. And if you don't have a giant screwdriver like this, an old style tire iron out of any old car works perfectly as well, because there's a big old flat end on it. Okay, so now we have the 209, and here's a 209. We have a 209. We'll stick that in there as well. Put the bolt back in, and ready to go. So you can see with one adjustment, both of them work 100%. To get the bolt out, in case you lost your manual, you simply slide the bolt back until there's with a little bit of pressure on here. There you go, it turns down and it slides right out. To go in, you simply grab it, slide it in, turn it, you'll hear it lock, and that's it. Thanks for watching.